Warm welcome to all the traders and investors. Are you facing difficulty in deciding the entry points and exit points of your trade? Today, we are diving into the exciting world of spotting trends using technical analysis, specifically focusing on the powerful reversal trade strategy. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the market, this strategy could be a game changer for your trading journey. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our valuable trading insights. Alright, let's jump right in. So what exactly is the reversal trade strategy? Well, in simple terms, it's all about identifying potential trend reversals in the market before they happen. By mastering this strategy, you can capitalize on lucrative opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. Now let's walk through a real life example to illustrate how this strategy works in action. Here we have a candlestick chart of Nifty 50 index which has been on a steady uptrend for the past few candles. We are analyzing it on 15-minute chart. As you can see, the picture, the price has been making higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bullish momentum. However, if we zoom in closer, we start to notice some subtle signs of a potential trend reversal. Take a look at the candlestick patterns. We are seeing a series of long upper wicks accompanied by decreasing buying volumes. This could be a signal that buyers are losing steam and a reversal might be on the horizon. Additionally, we can look at the key indicators such as trend line, and we can see that there's a resistance level indicating the previous high. If this indicator start to follow up, it could strengthen the case for reversal. Putting it all together, we have identified several red flags that suggest a potential trend reversal in Nifty 50. Now it's crucial to exercise caution and wait for confirmation before making any trading decisions. Remember, the practice and discipline are key virtues in the world of trading. Always await for multiple confirmations before pulling the trigger and never risk more than you can afford to lose. And as you see, we get a signal of reversal trading with this red candle and we can dive in the trade, right? And there you have it, folks, a beginner's guide to spotting trends with the reversal trade strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your fellow traders. Until next time, happy trading.